Want to keep an eye on your Windows PC's condition? Wintoys includes a system health section that gives you quick access to maintenance and health-related tools. In this guide, I'll show you how to check your system health in Wintoys and review the available options. Let's get started. First, launch Wintoys from the Start menu or your desktop shortcut. Once the application opens, you'll see the main dashboard with several categories for managing your Windows computer. Next, select the Health section from the navigation menu. This area brings together maintenance and system-related tools that can help you monitor and manage your Windows installation. Take a moment to explore the information displayed here. Depending on your version of Wintoys and Windows, you may see options related to storage, maintenance, repair tools, or other health features. The exact items available can vary from one system to another. If you'd like to investigate a specific area, simply select the corresponding option. Wintoys may open a built-in Windows tool or provide quick access to maintenance features that help you manage your system. You don't have to use every option right away. Focus on the tools that match your needs. After reviewing your system health, make it a habit to check this section from time to time. Regularly monitoring storage, maintenance, and repair options can help you identify potential issues before they become larger problems. It's a simple habit that can help keep your PC running smoothly, and that's how to check system health in Wintoys. By reviewing the health section regularly and using the available maintenance tools when needed, you can help keep your Windows computer in good condition. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.